So I'm going to do a quick little unboxing here of a MacBook Pro charger. It's a 6.6 foot, which is around about 2 meters long. And let me just show you, I've actually opened it up and looked over it here. And here's the actual kind of all the connections of it here. Here's a C on that side. And then it has like a MacBook Pro, this magnetic type plug-in right there. So then looking over the unit here, you can see right here, it's a 140 watt plug and it's a USB-C powered adapter. And the input voltage is 100 to 240, which gives you an output of 20 volts, 7 amps. So it kind of gives you a wide variety. You can use this for charging your cell phone or something like that. And then check out how this plug-in works. So this knob just locks down in there like that. It collapses. I like the looks of this thing. And it's a very nice premium braided cable, so you don't have to worry about it stretching or coming undone or something like that. Actually, the way this magnetic tip works, if you fall or something, it just pops right out. But yeah, I think this is a great option for anyone that's looking for an affordable MacBook Pro kind of replacement plug, because obviously if you get it from Apple, it's going to be a lot different than getting this one right here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the replacement MacBook Pro, you know, power cord. See you all in the next video.